Hey, first grade friends, welcome to another whole group reading lesson. We are doing day 3 of week 3 of unit 6 today, so let's get going. We are learning a new, we're not learning a new card. We know this card. What is the name of this card? Nest. Very good. But we are learning 2 new spellings for the sound that the card stands for. So first off, what is that sound? Very good. Now, the 2 spellings that we are learning are KN vowel and GN. So let's say those together. Ready? KN vowel, GN. So I have a list over here off to my right side. Sorry, I get confused sometimes when I'm filming of which side is left and which side's right. But I've got a list of words over here. And some of them use that KN spelling and some of them use that GN spelling. So let's just read through those really quick so that we can get an idea of the different words. So starting at the top, we have knit. It's not knit, it is knit. Next one is knight. This is like the one that rides the horse and saves the princess in the stories. Next one down is knot. Then moving down again, we have nod. Then we have gnome. And then we have gnat. And these are not gnod or gnome. The G is silent, so we don't say it. You want to say it. I want to say it. Same with the K, but we don't. Here are some words that have all of these spellings in them. So let's start on the top row, top to bottom, left to right, and let's read these. Ready? We have knee, knock, gnat, gnaw. Next line. New, night, new. So the first new is an animal. This new with the K, I knew it. No, as in I know it. Next line down. Knit, gnome, knob, knack. Good reading. I know they're tricky. All right, here are our sight words. I think I'm going to write these out in the air today. So feel free to do what you would like to, or you can join me. What is this word? Bin. Very good. Let's spell it. Ready? B-E-E-N. Bean. And let's read the sentence. It has been a while since I went swimming. What is this word? Children. All right, get those pencils ready. Ready? Let's spell it. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Whew, that's a long one. And let's read that sentence. My classroom has 27 children in it. What is this word? Month. Very good. Ready? M-O-N-T-H. Month. And let's read the sentence. We will be out of school in about a month. What is this word? Question. Very good. Let's spell it. Ready? Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. And let's read that sentence. Do you have a question about the assignment? What is this word? There. Very good. Let's spell it. Ready? T-H-E-I-R. There. And let's read the sentence. That is their dog in the yard. And what is this one? Year. Let's spell it. Ready? Y-E-A-R. Year. My birthday happens once a year. Here are some words from our story for today. We have a new story because we've got some new spellings. So let's, again, top to bottom, left to right, and let's go through these. We're going to start with the one that is spelled G-N-A-R. Ready? Gnarled, knack, gnat. Next one. Kneel, nod. Next one down. New, gnome, night. Good reading. Here are our phrases. We've got some on our left side, top to bottom, and we've got some on our right side, top to bottom. We're going to start on the left with a knight named. Ready? A knight named Norm. Next one. The head gnome. Next one. Made of gnarled wood. Had a knack. Now let's go over to the right side, starting with a gnat. Ready? A gnat buzzed. Gnawed his lip. kneel or stand. Norm didn't know. Here are some sentences from our story for today. Go ahead and look at that top sentence for just a couple of seconds. See if you can read it in your head. And let's read it together. Ready? When he awoke, Norm didn't know how long he had been asleep. And let's look at the next one. Ready? Let's read it. The head gnome gnawed his lip. Good reading. Here is our story for today. So it is different than the one we read yesterday, but you guys got this. So sit up nice and tall. Deep breath in. Let it out. And get ready to read. Ready? The Rusty Knight. One day, a knight named Norm saw a fine garden. He saw a bench made of gnarled wood. Norm decided to take a short nap. While Norm slept, it rained. Norm's suit got rusty, but he didn't know it. When he awoke, Norm didn't know how long he had been asleep. Was it a day, a month, or a whole year? A gnat buzzed around Norm's head. He tried to brush it away, but he could not move his arm. Norm tried to sit up. He could not kneel or stand. Norm was rusted. I am stuck, yelped Norm. Help! A group of garden gnomes came by. These gnomes had a knack for being helpful. The head gnome gnawed his lip. Then the gnome made a plan. One gnome got a sharp knife. He cut up sandpaper. Each gnome took a piece of it. Then they rubbed away all the rust on Norm's suit. Their work paid off. Norm said, "Thank you. That rainy nap has taught me to always sleep in a dry place from now on." Give yourself a high five. That was amazing reading, friends. All right, let's review our word math or compound words. I love calling it word math. I just think it makes it more fun, right? So, compound words are made up of two smaller words that we've added together to make a new word. So, this word is lunchtime. What two words were used to make this compound word? Lunch plus time. Very good. And lunch plus time equals lunchtime. Here are some others. Let's see if we can figure out the words we use to make them. So classroom is class plus room. Very good. Snowstorm is snow plus storm. Knee pad is knee plus pad. What about sunlight? Sun plus light. And what about rainfall? Rain plus fall. You guys are awesome. That is it for another whole group reading lesson. You are amazing readers, and I am so proud of you. Keep reading, friends, and I'll see you next time.